Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best miter saw stand with wheels that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Dewalt DW7440RS Table Miter Saw Stand with Wheels. Apartment as a table saw stand. But from our experience, it is a collapsible rolling stand, which works well as a top miter saw stand with wheels. Whether weighing heavy, delivers 20% less weight after folding all 4 legs behind. How about its mobility? After fixing a miter saw on the stand, you can carry it vertically unless you need much. This kickstand from Dewalt offers the stand for well-balanced performance. In that case, offset rear legs with rubber tips, and wide aluminum stand base are complete gentle functions. Support long pieces, ranging from 32 to 66 inches. On top of that, no bad issues will arise during the rapid setup with its 2 quick stand connectors for saw mounting and easy detachment. Under the stand, collapsible levers are a breeze for storage by minimizing overall size. Moving on at number 4, we have the Dewalt DWE74911 Table Miter Saw Stand with Wheels. Next is the smallest, lightest stand for both table saws and miter saws. However, you have options for small or round shape cope and jigsaw upholding. From Dewalt, it is quite natural to manufacture a variety-featured upholding tool to load your regular saws and cutting precision as well. The durable construction is another plus point you can consider, like taking load up to 250 pounds. Easy loading and unloading by the 2 mounting functions. For excellent stability, along with using this, fix any 8 feet in length material. The ultimate lightweight miter saw stand has great portability not because of the construction material, but with fewer tool settings and designed for the specific jobs. The universal design comes with no mar tips under 4 legs, for avoiding scratches. Though a camlock, like a rubber wheel, adjusts the tool on the stand with adapter plates. No leg wheels, but after folding it vertically, you will have easy carrying. At number 3, we have the ToughBuilt TS550 Universal Miter Saw Stand with Wheels. The ToughBuilt TS550 stands as a universal beast than any other miter saw stands with wheels. From our experience, there are many features that will never disappoint you, even if you have such condition by cheap branded miter saw stands. First of all, the steel construction creates rare standby performance for sturdy material supporting cutting by a miter and table saw. So, we may call it a great gravity stand. The second thing is its rugged 8 rubber wheels. Most often, our applications demand portability of that machine, and some even fail to include this. But these 2 are carrying tires within your job site and avoid getting broken. Once after stand mounting, you can pull, push, or roll within even your harsh ground. Heavy steel, 2.4, box tube frame is the indicator of strength and stability. What more in the toolbox? Quick release leg locks, 2 left-right work stops, cam locks, and more, except for the miter saw. All you can use by one-handed to enlarge material supports. At number 2, we have the Powertec MT4009 Foldable Table Miter Saw Stand with Wheels. This is not the exact one that you want. It is a table saw stand with high ergonomic portability and storage system. But like us, you can mount heavy, large 20-5/8, x 18-1/2 sized machines, as well miter saws onto 2 steel plates. Along with a steel tube frame offers huge performance with stability without flimsy issues. Its rolling edition foldable stand is universal, means to fit on many brands. Compact design ensures hassle-free breakdown and easy assembly. After usage, fold with an auto pin release lever for further mobility and storage. Even vertical rolling portability with an attached saw on its tray. Pair of 8 wheels allows much in this task. Else, supports incredible 330 pounds of downward force, whether it is moving or on stability. And finally at number 1, we have the Bora Portamate PM3600 folding miter saw stand. Popular as a DIY folding miter saw stand PM3600, manufactured by Bora Portamate. Supports up to 300 pounds materials about 65 inches length. Though some non-included things in the box, for instance, extra tool mounts, optional wheel kit. But provided optional ports are great. Its entire construction with tubular steel and aluminum and over spaces with powder coating protects from damaging and no soon-to-rust problems. However, the materials provide enough lightweight to carry away without wheels. Though it is a little bit flimsy and unsteady for stiff jobs. Holding a huge amount by the two beam extenders is quite unexpected at this budget. A quick snap folding pin mechanism secures the miter saw by the legs, even for further transportation around a carpenter's workshop. If you are searching to accomplish DIY projects with a tight budget miter saw stand, we prefer it most, except for the professional graded jobs. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.